Today, I'm creating a gold textured mountain artwork inspired by a warm sunset, the kind where the sky turns golden for a few minutes and the mountains look softly lit. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create this simple look using simple materials and texture paste. Welcome everyone. I am tracing over the main mountain lines to form thick, raised ridges with texture paste filled in a piping bag. If you want to know how I make my texture paint, I will link the video in the description below. I want the textures to feel bold because sometimes you have to take bigger steps, make bolder choices, and trust that it will all come together in the end. Then I am painting the whole canvas black to create that contrast between black and gold. I think gold on black is one of the most elegant combinations out there. You can never go wrong with gold and black. I have always been fascinated by mountains, not just because they look beautiful, they remind me of my childhood. I grew up in the northeast of India, where the mornings were so serene and the nights filled with misty calm. And the best part, where the sun rises and the sun sets, where the mountains look like they were glowing, stacked in a row. They remind me of something very important, that every big achievement is built one small step at a time. Once the paste is dry, lightly brush metallic gold over the raised lines using a dry brush technique so the gold only catches the texture without coating everything. This gives a clean dimensional look. I am painting this sun slightly overlapping with the top mountain layers for a natural horizon effect. As a quiet reminder telling that you survived the day, and that's enough. Using a thin brush and metallic gold acrylic paint, start filling each mountain section with curved flowing lines. These lines should follow the slope of the mountain to create depth and movement. This step takes time, so work slowly. Like meditation, you will find yourself fully present in the moment. These fine lines you see, I'm adding them slowly, patiently, layer after layer. And as I was painting them, I realized something. Art, like life, moves forward through tiny actions. One stroke, one texture, one decision at a time. As the painting is approaching completion, I see a journey, patient strokes, brave lines, and a quiet belief that something good is taking shape. If you're creating something right now, art, a dream, a new chapter in your life, remember this. You don't need to finish fast. You just need to keep adding your lines, your textures, your light. Thank you for watching. If this inspired you even a little, leave a gentle thumbs up in the comments. Your support means a lot to me.